Asensemo yaye umone waba waziri na bayigo mu waziri we wizara ya mangana YENSE Echeisco Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi Oiranire Ime hasomoyega bwoko mwenia humogaka Kipchirchir NIGO nekebuna onyolire esimi korwa somo waziri wa mangana YENSE Echeisco wense ya Iran gakomwenekeria buna Omorembe Oiranire Ime yense yo ya Iran mayaga yokobwateranirwa n'ekisegi chintindi na ase ensemo yende yaye omwaziri we wizara yoborendi bwa Ime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen NIGO harekana ko motogia mono Omorembe William Ruto kobatekana roboti rwa economic survey oruo rwasogetibwe na kworokianga Omorembe NIGO agenderete gwikerania emirimo ya Ime yense ya Kenya amonorogongo rwa Afrika.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wakati tumekuwa tukikaa hapo na wewe, nimekunong'onezea kwamba jana nilipata nafasi kupokea simu kutoka kwa waziri wa mambo za nchi za kigeni wa Iran, Abbas Araghchi. Na alipopiga simu alizungumza na akasema kuna mambo mbili ambayo sasa wamejua ni ya muhimu sana. Anasema kule baada ya vita hawataki ceasefire, wanataka peace, amani kabisa. Ceasefire ni kukoma tu kupigana, lakini wanasema that is not enough. Tunataka amani.
The economic survey that has been released yesterday is a testimony of the hard work you have put in turning around our country. The people who used to work with you before, I remember, and those are the ones who are making a lot of noise out there. Every time you used to sit in room 6 with the economists, working on the numbers, trying to even coming up with an innovative formula of, G2G purchase of fuel, just to stabilize the country. If you hadn't sat there, think about the country. Those people, because we were with them, they kept saying, unajua sisi hatuelewi mambo ya economy, rais angekuwa angezunguka Kenya kuongelesha watu. But that period of time, 2023-2024, the efforts you put in our economy are now bearing fruit. And you have moved this country, Your Excellency, to now the third largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa. And as workers who work closely with you, we are extremely proud of the work you have done. In fact, in the security sector, Your Excellency, the economic survey indicates clearly that there is a reduction of crime by more than 10%, which means that we are moving in the right trajectory because of the investment you have put. And the security sector gets better when the economic sector is working better. We salute you for the work you have done, and we will continue working together with Davis and the other cabinet secretary to support your government to deliver to the people of Kenya.